So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix liquid detected in your lightning connector. Now on iPhones, what will happen sometimes is if you get moisture or liquid in your charger port, what will happen is you will then get this error code, and this works both on old iPhones and new. Now, sometimes what you will notice is that you will get this error even if there is no moisture or liquid entering your charger port, and you won't actually know why this problem is happening. Now, to be able to fix this, what we first of all need to do is we need to make sure that there's nothing inside our charger port here, even debris, dust, or any sort of dirt. You need to make sure that you go ahead and clean this out right here. And once you do that, it should then obviously work, and you can then try another charger. So if you've got access to another charger, you can then try that. And if those two methods don't work, the last thing that we can try is we can try and force restart and reset our iPhone. So if you don't know how to do this, all we need to do to be able to do this is click on the volume up, volume down, and then the lock button. And you just want to quick release these. So I'll show you how to do it right now. So volume up, volume down, lock button. And what this will do is it will show you this screen. And then essentially what will happen is your phone will then force restart, and if you've done it correctly, you will then be able to see the Apple logo. So it will shut down completely like mine has right now. And then eventually what will happen is you will then see your Apple logo. Now this means that you have force restarted your device here. And then once it comes back on and once it fully loads back up, it should then reset and refresh your whole software inside your device. And then you should then be able to charge your phone as you would normally. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix liquid detected in your lightning connector or charger port on iPhone.